Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Home. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah. We're very happy you're here with us again.
This is Learn English Episode 4, and today's episode is very special.
Yes, today we will help you speak English confidently in daily life.
If you are a beginner or intermediate learner, this episode is perfect for you.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat with us.
Sarah, how do you start your morning?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. First, I say good morning. Then I brush my teeth and make breakfast.
That's great. Let's practice some morning English sentences. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm feeling good, thank you.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up early, I woke up late. Now let's talk about English we use at home.
For example, I am cooking food. I am cleaning my room.
Very common sentences are, please help me. Where is my phone?
Let's make a small conversation.
Adam, where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
What are you doing?
I'm making tea. Shopping English is very important.
Yes, let's start.
How much is this? This is too expensive. Do you have a cheaper one?
Now a short role play.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $10.
Can you give me a discount?
Sorry, this is the final price. Many people feel shy when speaking English.
But remember, mistakes are normal.
The more you speak, the better you become.
Say this with confidence. I am learning English. I can speak English.
Don't be afraid. Be proud of yourself.
That's the end of Learn English Episode 4.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.
Share this podcast with your friends.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.